How was it working with the wonderful actresses gaya ni na Beauty Gonzalez, Denise Laurel? Kinabahan ba kayo? Na-pressure ba kayo?
Ako po, of course, naman. Lalo na po yung first few sequences namin. Super na-intimidate po ako kasi lagi ko silang napapanood si Miss Beauty, Miss Denise. So, nung nakita ko po sila, na-intimidate ako. Tapos nawala po yung kaba ko kasi they were very welcoming. Super genuine ang kindness nila. So, working with them was a very good experience. And nagsaya na lang kay eksena kasi talagang ramdam na ramdam mo yung tension.
Nung workshop ko lang po namin na actually script reading, talagang pinakita na nila sa amin na kumbaga mahal nila yung ginagawa nila. So mas na-inspire kami. Mas naging madali yung trabaho po sa amin.
Makakasama rin po namin dyan si Miss Beauty Gonzalez, Sir Dominic Ochoa, Miss Denise Laurel, Sir Kim Pidilio, Miss Ay Laurel, Miss Jean Sabarit, at marami pang iba.
Directed by Direk Jerry Silening. And excited na po kaming makilala niyo ang bawat karakter na magbibigay buhay kay Princess. Syempre, at kilalanin niyo ang magpapainit ng hapon niyo.